Today, we're going to be installing a vibrant resonator because the car is just obnoxiously loud. So this is the Vibrant 1795. It is an 18-inch long, 3-inch resonator, 4-inch overall diameter. And I'll show you, I got it marked underneath the car where I'm going to cut it out. Now this is stainless. My exhaust is aluminized steel. So it's just mild steel with the aluminum coating on it. I have this welding wire that is supposed to weld stainless to any other type of metal. So I don't know if you can really see this. It is a gasless flux core wire. It's supposed to be designed to weld stainless to a mild steel. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I have no idea how it's gonna work. This is the exhaust that we're working with. That's my hack job to make a merge. I merged I think it was 2.5 inch. Merge that to a connection with the 3-inch. So that's where it's gonna go. And then it goes back. I got a little bullet muffler there that does absolutely nothing. So, note to self, next time, cut where the mark is and then take it off and cut it, because I missed, so I'm gonna have to weld that closed again. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna leave this for now, get it back on the car. I'll mock it up, see where the resonator is gonna line up, and go from there. So it's in place. This pipe is actually 3-inch inside diameter, so it kind of slip fit over this. There's a tiny bit of a gap because the pipes aren't totally squared up, and the cuts are off, but I'll be able to fill it. It's literally like a fingernail. And the other side kind of slipped square over. This should be right where it needs to be. Now with that slip fit over top, I don't know if that's going to affect the noise. I hope not, but none of the rest of it's perfect either, so it probably won't matter too much. So we're going to go with this, and worst case is we cut it apart and do it again. Well, I just tried a whole bunch of different settings, and this welding wire doesn't seem to, it's like it just bounces off. So yeah, not sure. Probably just going to switch to the other wire and weld it, and if it rusts, it rusts. The rest of it's rusting anyways, so then eventually I will do a stainless exhaust. So, as I said, this Blue Demon stainless steel wire did not work. My trusty Power Fist welder is not strong enough to weld this wire. It is too cold for penetration. It just kind of beads up on top. So I've switched back to my regular flux wire, the shielded wire. I will eventually invest in something that can weld stainless steel properly and do a full stainless steel front to back. But for now, we're going to roll with what I got, and what I got is going to rust. That being said, let's get this resonator tacked into place so I can pull this tube back off and weld it up. Oh, that concrete is cold. It's hot outside, but baby, that concrete is cold. Oh, so much better. The top feels so much better than the bottom. So much better. Beautiful. Welds like a dream. Whoa. Yeah. All right, we're ready to go. Well, it's not pretty, but it's done. We'll get it back on the car, see what it sounds like. Got a couple little pinholes to, I found one up in the merge. I got a little pinhole that came through, so I gotta tack that. It looks like there might be one on one of these bends here, so I'm gonna tack, just kind of clean up wherever I can see. Looks like a little bit of black soot, so I'm gonna try and clean all that up, and we'll get it on, see what it sounds like. All right, we're all done. We're gonna do a cold start. Should be a little quieter, a little less rasp. We'll do a couple revs and we'll see what it sounds like. That is significantly quieter on the cold start and idle. Still pretty loud. Also, my tailpipe's way too long. I'm gonna cut it back so it looks better. Let's do a couple revs and see what it sounds like. Way quieter. So the pops and bangs, that was actually because the car wasn't warmed up. After it warms up, it stops. And I have a video that will be on my Instagram of like right after, a couple minutes later, I revved it up and it sounds beautiful. Other than the pops, which I don't have tuned, I turned all that off. I do not have any pop tunes on it right now. It sounds significantly less raspy, a lot cleaner, and a little quieter. Not much, but it is quieter. Mostly I was worried about it being cleaner because it had a rasp in the mid RPM range, which was kind of really annoying. And it also sounded a bit airy. But it sounds a lot better now. So I don't know what else to say other than that's a wrap. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Sounds pretty good, I don't know.